Well, Rishika Barua is now joining us live with the very latest. Rishika, Arvind Kejriwal's government has fallen short of the promise that it had made that within 15 days it will pass the Jan Lokpal bill. But as it meets today, the cabinet of Delhi government, is there a consensus building on some of the sticking points that were yet to be resolved?
Well, absolutely, Ruchika. There is a cabinet meeting that is expected to take place post-noon today, and the cabinet is in all likelihood like to pass the Lokpal bill for New Delhi. Remember, this was a promise that Arvind Kejriwal had made when he did come into power, that in 15 days' time the Jan Lokpal bill will in fact be a reality in the capital. That obviously hasn't happened, but the target that they're looking now to meet is a mid-Feb target. Remember, they do want to hold a special session of the Delhi Assembly at the Ram Leela Maidan, and they want it to be a very transparent process by which this bill is passed. But it doesn't really end there, because after the Delhi Assembly passes the Lokpal bill, there is going to be a larger confrontation again with the Union Home Ministry that is in the cards, because the Lieutenant Governor will eventually forward the bill to the Home Ministry for approval, and there is likely to be a confrontation there because there are some key points on which the Delhi Jan Lokpal bill in fact differs from the centre's version of the Jan Lokpal bill. So there is likely that there will perhaps be another confrontation on the cards. Also, the relationship, the very sensitive nature of the relationship between the Congress party and the Aam Aadmi party in the Delhi government is also likely to go through some testing times during that period, Ruchika.